Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on harmonica basics. I'll be showing you and telling you how to play a single note. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So let's say you want to play a single note on the harmonica. It's actually fairly easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it today, okay? Now there are two methods for this. There's number one, the lip method, which is the method that I use, and I'll be showing you sort of how to use the lip method to purse your lips, it's called, or pucker up your lips to sort of get a single note on the harmonica. Or you can use the tongue method, which is to use your tongue to block off certain holes on the harmonica to sort of allow the air to only escape from one hole. But I think the lip method is easier to learn and it's easier to use on a regular basis. So that's the one I'm going to outline. So essentially, when you play the harmonica, most people will learn by playing like this. And as you can hear right there, I'm playing multiple notes together. Okay? Multiple notes within each air movement, okay? Now, when you want to play a single note, you basically want to get your lips to only get air through one of the note holes that connects to the reed, that connects to one of the reeds. So you want to get your lips and go like this, as if you're whistling. And do that on the harmonica. And if you still find that you're getting multiple notes, tighten it up even more. There you go. So I did have multiple notes at first, and I changed to just one note. Okay, so it's actually pretty easy to do. You just need to know what to do with your lips. Sort of pucker them up or purse your lips, as they say, to sort of create just a little airway, and then place it on the harmonica, and you get one note. If you still get multiple notes, either your lip opening is still too big, or you just need to move your position on the harmonica. Maybe I'm a little bit too far to one side, right? You can hear I'm going between multiple notes and one note there. If I move like a quarter of an inch to the side, I get multiple notes instead of a single note. Yeah, that's basically it. All right, enough fooling around. I've shown you how to play a single note. Hopefully you enjoyed that tutorial. I made it straightforward for beginners or advanced players, but chances are if you're an advanced player, you probably already know how to do this. But you know, even so, you can always benefit from watching a tutorial on your craft, right? So I'm sure you got something from this tutorial, even if you already know how to play a single note and you're an advanced player. But honestly, that's it. I tried to break it down as easily as possible. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.